Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafratia binti Uthman and I'm going to explain Lab 3, Part 1C, Program 2. So this program we want to calculate the sum of the even index and also sum of the odd index. So there are several of variable here. We have message 1, message input, message sum, message even, and also message odd. So all of these we store in the bytes. So this one is hello, total even, and also total odd. We store in the double word. For the hello, it is an array and the size is 6, and this one is uninitialized value. So inside the dot word, we have the address of, we have to move the address of message 1 into the EDX. And then we have to write string, means we want to display the message inside the message 1. So message 1 contain calculate some unassigned integer index or even in array hello. Sorry. And then call CRLF means that we want to display the end line twice. Here I put 2. So the we move the 6 into the ECX, means that ECX will be equal to 6. So ECX is actually like the loop counter for the program that will be repeated 6 times. And then we have to move the address of the hello array into the ECI. So ECI is actually a pointer array. So inside the input loop, we have the address of message input that will be moved into the EDX, and then we call the write string. We want to display the message. So message in input is this one, integer input. And this call that means that we want to read the input that be entered by user. Next is the EAX will be moved into the ECI, since we know here that the address of the hello array will be moved into the ECI, ESI. So here is actually we want the value. So value inside the hello array. And then the type hello is actually like the 4 bytes, because in the hello array itself we use the double word that contain the 4 bytes. So we add 4 into the ESI. So loop input loop means that we want to repeat this program 6 times. Next is we want to do the sum of the even index. So first is address of the hello array will be moved into the ESI. And then we know that the even index in this program is 0, 2, and also 4. So we have 3 even index here. Therefore, we put here 3. Means that ECX will be equal to 3. So this one is just accumulator. So next for the even loop. So value inside the ESI, we know that it is in the hello array itself. And then will be added with the EAX. So EAX is actually 0. So here, let's say we put 25. So 25 add by 0 is 25. And then okay, this one is 8 because, okay, from the even index first is 0. Second even index is 2. So we want 0 jump to 2. So we don't want to go to 1. Therefore, 0 to 1 is 4 bytes. So 1 to 2 is 4 bytes. So we added, it is contain 8 bytes. Therefore, this I mentioned that we have to skip the one double word to go to the next even index here. So loop even loop means that this will be repeated 3 times since we have 3 even index here. So the final value of the EX will be moved into the total even. So this is the same things, but it is for the odd index. So address of the hello array will be moved into the ESI, and then this one, we add 4 with the ESI because we know that the odd index is 1. 3 and also 5. So we have 3. So we want to start with the index 1. We don't want to start with the index 0. Therefore, we have to add 4 to skip the index 0. So this one is also same since we know that the odd index is 1, 3 and also 5. Therefore, the ECX will be equal to 3. So this one they accumulated. So for the odd loop, the ECI, wait, this is the value, right? And then will be added with the EAX. So EAX again is 0. So let's say this one is 25. We add 25 plus 0 is equal to 25. And then this is 8 because we start at 1, index 1. We want to go to index 3. So therefore, 1 to 2 is 4 bytes. 2 to 3 is 4 bytes also. We add 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Therefore, we add 8 into the ESI. So this one loop means that we want to repeat this 3 times since we have 3 odd index. So the last EAX will be moved into the total odd. So this one is called CRLF, means just display and line, and then this index of the message sum will be moved to EDX, and then this one we want to display the message, and this one is just line, and this one means address of the message event will be moved into the EDX and then will be displayed. Okay, this one, the total event will be moved into the EAX. And then this one will be display the value. We use the write that. And then this one just line again. So for this one, we have the index of the message odd that will be moved into the EDX, and then we display it, and then we move again for the total odd to the EAX, and this one we want to display the value of the total odd actually, and then this one is N9. So I'm going to start without debugging to show you the outputs. So this one I put 20, 25, 30, 37, 40, 43. So this is that I got 19 for the even index and I got 105 for the odd index. 20 plus 30 plus 40 is 90, yes. 20 plus 37 plus 43 is 105. That's all for me. Thank you.